The Xinjiang Military Command of the Chinese People's Liberation Army, PLA, recently commissioned a large batch of advanced air defense missiles, artillery, and multiple rocket launch systems, which analysts said on Tuesday will improve the troops' emergency response capabilities in difficult situations. A regiment affiliated with the PLA Xinjiang Military Command recently held a commissioning ceremony for the new additions to its arsenal, including the HQ-17A air defense missile system, the PCL-181 155mm caliber, 155mm, self-propelled howitzer and the PHL-11 122mm caliber, 122mm, modularized multiple rocket launcher systems. Eastday.com, a Shanghai-based news website, reported on Monday, citing a report by China Central Television, which covered the ceremony but did not identify the weapons. In 2019, the latest improved version of the HQ-17 made its public premiere during Beijing's National Day military parade. According to Eastday.com, the HQ-17A air defense missile system combines a search radar, guidance radar, air defense radar, and command system into a single vehicle with great mobility, vast detection range, and high accuracy, as well as the ability to launch missiles while moving. In 2019, the PCL-181 plus 155mm self-propelled howitzer made its debut in the military parade. According to the article, it has since become a favorite of the PLA mechanized artillery troops because to its remarkable performance and great lethality. The PHL-11 plus 122mm multiple rocket launcher system, dubbed Iron Rain because of its fast firepower, has a great range, high accuracy, excellent mobility, and is very intelligent. According to the study, it can pour hundreds of rockets on a huge area in the hostile position in a dozen seconds as a mid to long range suppression weapon. These newly commissioned weapons and equipment can adequately satisfy the troops' emergency response capabilities under complicated situations by greatly enhancing their combat capabilities in artillery strike, air defense and emergency support missions, analysts said. The Global Times found that the report is one of the first in 2022 about new weapons commissioning by the Xinjiang Military Command, which safeguards China's northwest border regions. In May 2021, official media revealed the commissioning of a wide variety of weapons including armored vehicles, self-propelled howitzers, multiple rocket launcher systems, self-propelled mortars and anti-aircraft missiles to the Xinjiang Military Command. With the modernization of the PLA moving forward, more units will get advanced gear this year to safeguard national sovereignty and territorial integrity, a Chinese military expert who requested anonymity told the Global Times on Tuesday. Hope you guys loved the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and please do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to all, so you can get the notification on each upload.